guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a poll on Twitter. So to do that, you are just going to press the plus button over here, and as you can see, there is this poll button next to the location and gift button, so in the middle of those two. This one, if I can just press that, and you can ask the question here. For instance, you want to ask, what song should I listen to? And you can, I think, have up to 4 choices. So I'm just going to write some songs. Some Taylor Swift song, of course. It's too long if I write it down. So press the plus button if you want to add more choices to it. And add another plus button. So you only have 4 choices. And I'm just going to write there. And then you can adjust the poll length here. They can have up to a week. The poll can be up for up to a week. And here you can adjust the hours too, and also the minutes. So I'm just going to put up the poll for about 20 minutes. And you're just going to press tweet. And here is the poll. People can vote for, people can vote for the choices that you have over here. But that is basically it. Sorry about that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!